The definition of touch under Section 7 of the POCSO Act does not require direct skin-to-skin contact but can be touched through clothing or any other thing. That is what the Supreme Court has held this Thursday morning while overturning a verdict of the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court, which had acquitted a man under Section 7 of the POCSO Act because the 12-year-old child had been touched through her clothing. The Apex Court bench of Justices U.U. Lalit, S.R. Bhatt and Bela Trivedi noted that this kind of an interpretation that was given by the High Court could lead to absurdities where persons who were assaulting children could get away with it because there was no direct skin-on-skin contact. The court noted that the skin-on-skin contact is not necessary and that the POCSO Act requires a touch with sexual intent. The touch per se can be through clothing, a bed sheet, a condom or any other object. However, it was the sexual intent that was the necessary ingredient of the crime, and the finding of sexual intent would be based on the facts and circumstances of each case. The relationship between the perpetrator and the child, as well as the circumstances surrounding the entire incident, including whether there was an innocent or reasonable explanation for the touch, could also be considered in cases like these. But in this particular case, the Apex Court noted that the two persons accused of the crime were in fact guilty and has said that they will be undergoing 3 years imprisonment and will have to pay a fine. The Apex Court has also wrapped the Bombay High Court verdict for this absurd interpretation of the law and has said that such pedantic, narrow approach cannot be taken, particularly when the statute was specifically created to protect the autonomy and dignity of children. In New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.